Going to Manali by bike, now heading up. It's a little bit rainy, but that's how it is in the Himalayas, it's the rainy season. So, let's go. Okay, now I started towards Manali. Finally, we're somewhere like before, I think, Jerry. And it is raining down like crazy. And it's so much fun. This bike, completely new Himalayan BS6. It's just godly, yeah, I have to say, in these conditions, with the ABS and everything, and withstanding Mother Nature. I'm fucking soaked. You know, like when you look at my pants, I mean, this raincoat only does so much. So yeah, I'm fucking soaked, but no problem. It's not really that cold. Just having a good old Coca-Cola with ice, and then I'm back on my way. But I think I don't know where I put my. Funnily, my cell phone pocket is not even a little bit wet, so maybe I can keep the cell phone in my pocket. I know the way. Anyway, I've ridden it many times, but yeah, look at this, guys. Himalayas, boom Shiva, da na 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 na. For me, this was sorely needed. Now to just take a break and take a deep breath, and I can just do that on motorbikes the best for some reason. And I will meet some lovely people there in Manali. One friend with another Himalayan is already on the way. So, let's go. Let's go, bro.
Singing sweet songs of the melody direction. Singing, this is my message to you.
I think I want to sit down there, bro. Anyone? No, nobody. Wow. So, I am in Manali now for, I think, the third day. Unfortunately, it is pissing, raining non-stop, and roads have been closed. Right now the network is not working. Electricity is not working. So, it's kind of annoying, to be honest. I can't even check if the roads are open. And we're kind of stuck here in Manali, and now I'm thinking, should I maybe just go through the rain and try to reach Kasol? What's up, my lovely friends? It's day 3 of non-stop rain. Electricity cut, internet cut, and everything wet. And it cannot dry because it's so high humidity in the air that if you put something out, like for example this jacket, is hanging there since a long time, and it's not getting dry. It's still wet after days of hanging there. A few days of rain normally is fine, but a few days of rain without the ability to move, without the ability to actually use the internet, I can't even check now which roads are closed to coming back, because I really want to go back, but it's kind of impossible. Because like I'm considering it to just go. The thing is, I know the way over the highway. The highway is closed though. So is it a good idea to just go? There's nobody out there. Basically, streets are empty because there's floods everywhere, there's landslides everywhere. Is it a good idea to go out and look for the way? Hey, do you maybe know the way to Casol? Not sure. Also interesting, if we look over there, we see the Naga Falls, and you can see them way bigger than they usually are. But now you see waterfalls all over the mountain. Normally there's just one. Now the whole mountain kind of became waterfalls. So this is the situation. It's kind of annoying, to be very frank with you. It's not like a fun, no, it's not that. It's like, where can I get electricity? Who has a generator? It's more of that sort, to be honest with you. I can't even write to nobody. I can't call nobody. I can't use the internet. I can't use Google Maps. I can't, other than number one, wait. Number two, take a shot of luck and jump on my bike and try to reach Casol through this unweather somehow. It is not fun at the moment, I have to say. Manali is sweet and all, but this is not an easy situation, quite boring and quite annoying as well. So what I will do is pack all my stuff into wet bags and plastic bags, and then I will head out and see how heavy the rain is and have some breakfast to calm my nerves and to not lose more weight, because I already lost weight as always in India somehow. So I have to eat, and then I will see if I am going to start to ride or not. I really don't feel like spending another day here, but what to do? It's like, we'll see. In order to sustain the rain, you have to pack yourself in plastic from top to bottom, which is also not fun, unfortunately, I have to say. There's more fun things than to run around like a human condom. But a man gotta do what a man gotta do, I guess.
was 80.
So while you're doing this out of the grid, so you can make any shit. And this is so good, man. Very good also, very clean one. Yes. So maybe one day you're just curious about and try to manipulate with such software.
Yo fellas, what's up? I'm still in Manali because I'm stuck in Manali. Now this is the road to Rohtang, which I'm showing you, where you can see a little bit of the damage of the last day's flood. Some serious damage, road damage, you know. Landslide. Yeah, so last days everybody was stuck here in Manali because massive rainfalls, as you can see. Still the river is growling. And full damage is there. Here you can also see the impact of the flood. Rip-off point. Just pieces of the road ripped away. As you can see, massive impact from the flood. Massive parts of the road are just gone. I know I'm repeating myself, but it is quite impressive to see. You know, I mean, look at this. Yeah, pieces of the road. Himalayas are brutal. Floods are devastating here. When it comes down hard and long, and we can see the result now. So, end of the road. I arrived here. Normally you can go up towards Leh Ladakh, if I'm not mistaken, Rohtang Pass. But as you can see,
something here is missing, and it's called a road. I was last year here traveling and going up towards Leh Ladakh, so I know how that looked, and I know it didn't look like that. That is massive. Massive and dangerous, because there can still be pieces, you know, from the road breaking off. I was just like before. I was crossing parts where the road was completely underwater, and I was passing places where there was only like maybe 1 to 1.5 meter space to pass with the bike. This is insanity. Wow. Crazy trip. Oh, a butterfly. Hello, butterfly. Darkness, my old friend. Now it's already, I think, day 6 or day 7 or something like that, that we're stuck in Manali. And yeah, the floods or the rains are over, as you can see. It's now beautiful weather. Internet is still not recovered. Also, electricity is not recovered. Water is recovered for some, but not for all. And yeah, we're going to try to go. Wow, look at this dragon. We're going to try to go to Kasol today, as every day. And let's see what will happen, if we can make it or not this time. I've heard Kulu is open, but I don't know about Kulu to Bundha. So, let's see. Okay, so I'm checking out Vashisht, just kind of for fun. It's day 2 after the floods, I guess. I'm trying to get a hold of people. It's not that easy, actually. And the whole devastation now became clear. And yeah, I hope I can get back to Kasol soon. Check if all my people are safe. And then we will see. Hey guys, what's up? We are still in Manali. I'm here with Krishna Jesus himself, aka Eliad. And we're visiting some temple because, yeah, what to do other than that. But this is not probably the temple, but we can have a look at it now. What we do? I think not now. I met one old friend of mine, Nandu, very nice guy, who is a local guy also. And I think I'm going to eat there tonight, I think.
Eat what? Like what?
Some nice veg food from my friend.
I don't know what.
Not sure, but some nice Indian food.
Yeah, sounds amazing.
Yes.
Indian food.